Hi. So are you someone who is facing the problem of irregular periods, low period flow, or no period at all? If yes, then adding these 3 simple ingredients in your diet can actually regulate your periods, give you good period flow during your periods, and it can also regularize your period cycle. कौन से हैं वो 3 आइटम्स? चलिए जानते हैं. Number 1, cinnamon means दालचीनी. Cinnamon helps to increase the blood flow during your period and it also regulate your period cycle. Number 2, honey means शहद, जो कि हम सबके घर में होता है. Honey helps you to fight with the sugar cravings that you face during your period cycle. So make sure you do include 1 teaspoon of honey during your periods. Number 3 is fenugreek seeds, means methi dana. So fenugreek seeds actually boost the estrogen hormone in your body. That can help you get periods on time. So make sure you do include these 3 food items in your diet regularly to get your periods on time.